Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Hello Kitty in a teddy bear onesie. So let's get started. To draw this cute Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing an oval for her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And come right across and draw the same thing. So nice and wide. But right here, draw another oval. Now that I have that in, let's come to the side right here. I'm just going to give it a little highlight. So just draw in a circle and shade everything else in. The original doesn't have a highlight, but it's all up to you. Give it some sparkle on the eye. So if you don't like this highlight, just shade it in all black. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then let's come to the center right between the eyes, and we're going to draw Hello Kitty's little nose. So about right here. Little curve and then round it off and connect for the little nose. And now we can go ahead and draw her face. So I'll say come about right here, the top of her eye, come right across, and I'm basically going to be drawing a curve all the way around. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to come out about right here. And I'm going to start to draw my curve. So it's kind of like this oval I'm going to draw for her head. So same thing over here. About right here. It's much wider over here. And we're going to go around. So let's go ahead and bring this curve around right underneath her nose. And connect. There. Okay, so we have that big curve in. Now let's finish the top. So we're just going to go up. And same thing over here. And I'll just go around on this side. It's easier for my hand. And this is being my center, about right here, be my highest point. And go all the way around. There. And now to put in the whiskers to make her look like Hello Kitty, right at the eyes. But in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 angle lines. And one more. Come in here and thicken this up. And same thing over here. So about right here. And here. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the shape all around. So right here, I'm going to start to draw the bear onesie. So I'm going to taper this curve. I'm going to come out. It's going to be a lot thinner over here, and then it's going to get wider as we come up. So same thing here. Just taper it in. It's going to get wider as we come up. And before I finish this onesie, I'm going to come to this side right here and still imagining this curve. If you're using a pencil, just finish up this curve first. But I'll stop and in this area, draw this really big bow for Hello Kitty. So about right here, just start with a big circle. And then I'll come right here and draw the bow. Big loop all the way around. And same thing over here. If you like, you can pop this out as well if you're using a pencil, so that it overlaps her head. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to come into the center and draw a curve for some detail. And then just go ahead and finish this curve and go all the way around. So I'm just going to start bringing this curve up. And I'll say, come to my center, about right here. I'll just give myself a point, just so I know where I'm going. All the way to the top, my highest point right in the center. And then from there, I can start to come down. And it's just imagine this continuing to here. Overlap by the bow, come out, and continue. There. Okay, so she has her hoodie in now. Let's come to the top right here. We draw some ears. So in this corner right here, let's come up. Draw some big bear ears, big curve, then come in. And then inside, we're going to draw a heart. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points, just so it's easier for me to draw this heart. And an angle. So it's the same thing over on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across for my other ear, about right here and here. Just go up, just like the other side. Approximate. I just want approximate size. And whoop, and bring it back in. And same thing once again, the heart. So right here and here. Come in here and fix my curve and move my body a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's make it a bear. So right in the center in this area, I'm going to draw the little bear's nose. So right in the center, so about right here. Let's go ahead and draw the little nose for our bear. So just a curve that comes to a point. And I'll just go ahead and shade that in with a little highlight. And then the nose and mouth area, we're just going to bring out a curve on both sides. And then the eyes, so let's come to the side, just draw a circle. You can give a little highlight if you like and shade everything else in. So same thing on the other side. There, now it's a little bear, right? Okay, so we're pretty much done with the top. Let's draw her body. So nicely centered, about right here. And here. Let's go ahead and draw a slight angle line. And same thing here. But I have a bow I need to draw in this area. So I'm going to stop. Pretend I'm going all the way across. And about in this area, I'm going to stop and draw a bow. If you're using a pencil, definitely finish this up. So I'm going to come right here and draw a little bow for her skirt. The dress, I mean. Pop this out. Get a little detail and we can go ahead and finish it off. Bring this down. And then right here, I'll just give a little strap right here to finish it. And let's see here. Let's bring this out for her skirt. Poof it out. And imagine this about right here, poofing it out. And let's see, so before I finish the skirt, let's come underneath and I'm going to draw this big oval for the feet. So right nicely in the center, about right here. Draw this big oval. And same thing on the other side. There, now I have her feet in, so then we can go ahead and finish her skirt. So let's poof this out and just give it some wobble, come down. Same thing over here. About right here, wobble and come down. And in between, whatever space you have left, you can just go ahead and just draw a curve right in between. And then for her hands, let's come out right here and just draw them to the side. So big curve comes around, they rest on a skirt and connect. So same thing over here. About right here. And for some details, you can come in here, just crease lines. So they're all done. I really hope you love this drawing of Hello Kitty in a teddy bear onesie and her pretty dress. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.